Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Press statement. Dear mass media representatives, first of all, let me welcome you today at the press conference, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sohail Shaheen, and my colleague Khairullah Khairkhwa. We are members of the political office and negotiation team of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. On behalf of IEE Political Office, I would like to express my gratitude to the Turkmen side for the invitation to visit Turkmenistan and for warm hospitality. Yesterday, as a part of our visit, we visited two mosques and acquainted with the ancient religious sites and cultural traditions of the Turkmen people. Today, here at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan, we held talks in an open and friendly atmosphere with His Excellency Rashid Meredov, Foreign Minister of Turkmenistan and Deputy Prime Minister and his delegation, during which we gave a positive assessment of the policy of neutral Turkmenistan towards Afghanistan and the long-term political and economic support to Afghanistan that neighboring Turkmenistan is provided and will provide. Turkmenistan, as a Muslim neighboring neutral state, has been taking initiatives for a number of years aimed at establishing peace and development in Afghanistan. The implementation of infrastructure projects in Afghanistan initiated by Turkmenistan deserves special attention and assessment. There is no doubt that the early start of construction